Hello, this is Jason J, and today in this video, I'm going to show you guys basically on how to make your own ringtones with no computer. Now, basically, this video is basically about iPhones, the iPhone users. Now, I know people are getting tired of buying music off of iTunes, then converting them into ringtones. Well, basically, from the Cydia application, they came up with a application called MyTones, and basically what it lets you do is it take your songs that you have in your music, like your music application, and it lets you make them into a ringtone, and you can put it as your ringtone for iPhone. I found this out. I just wanted to make the video from the iPod just to show people, or just show the iPhone users. So basically, let's get started. All right. So you already know you need a jailbroken iPod Touch or iPhone to do this. It doesn't really matter for the iPod Touch because it's not a phone. It really matters to the iPhone, but I'm gonna say it anyway. All right. So then we're gonna go to our search after you open up the Cydia, and you're gonna type in MyTones, and you want to download and install that. Alright, so basically, once you have that downloaded and installed, we're going to go into the home screen, and you will see a little music note for the application. It's called MyTones, and the little dragon logo will pop up. Alright, so at the top at the application here, it will say pick song. Like I said, you take the music from your library. You just pick a song. You take the music from the library. I'm going to take Chameleon in here. Alright. And this will pop up. You can play the song. And my thing's messing up here. There it is. My bad. There it is. That kicked me out. Sorry for the error, guys. Then again, sorry for that. And like I said before it kicked me out, you can play it. And basically, once you find the spot that you want to set it as your ringtone, you basically slide the end time to where you want it. About tomorrow, yesterday, gonna be a girl. No, I was playing. So go ahead and slide to where you want it, and that's where the start time will stop at. So let's say I want it right there. Then you just slide end the end time right there and put the start back to 0. Alright, so basically once you get to set where you want it as, you can go and hit this button right here. It says make ringtone. Just go ahead and click on that. And go ahead, like, if I made another video like a while back to show you guys how to get free music off of YouTube. Well, free music on the iPod Touch and iPhone. So go ahead and check that out, because that will really help you with this video right here for iPhone users and iPod Touch. But then again, this is basically for iPhone. I just made it for the iPod Touch because I wanted to tell you about this. Alright, so basically, once it get done doing what it was just doing, you can just go back into your settings for, what did it do? For iPhone users, you can go into your settings as usual, and you basically see the ringtone that you made. You go ahead and click on it, and you can set it as your ringtone. Just to show you guys. There it is. The one that the ringtone I just made, there it is. Alright, so like I said, you can go back and set it as your ringtone, and this works for any firmware. All you need is a jailbroken iPhone. I'm the Jason J, guys. I just showed you guys how to make your own ringtones without a computer for the iPhone. It can work for the iPod Touch, but why do we need it? So, anyway, I'm the Jason J. Rate, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys later.